So, on these RSV4s, did you know that it's got a USB cable tucked away in this console? Which so what I've done, I've actually unscrewed the two nuts or two bolts. Then what you have to do, you're going to have to take it out. Just be very careful when I'm trying to do everything one hand. I've actually done this before the video, so it's just easy for me to show you guys. So you've got to take the cable out, and if you take all the cables out, eventually you will see a cable like this, and this cable here is the USB cable. Let's try to do it with one hand here. So that's the USB cable. There is a part where you can actually plug the USB itself, and then that goes into the console here. But I'm gonna see if I can get the part. That'd be great. I've seen it on the internet and it's like $110, which seems a bit expensive just for a USB cable. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to make something up myself. But what I'm going to do is check that cable, see if it is definitely voltage coming out of it, and if it is, then that'd be great. So I'm just going to do it now actually. So yeah, in fact I'll do it now. I'm just going to get my multimeter. It's I think it's about £3, and then what I've done, I've actually installed it here. I'm just going to double check just to see if it's all working again. I'll turn it on, and I've got the voltage there. So I'm going to connect that up, and I've got my USB cable here, which I'm going to plug in. I'm going to cut the cable and join it all up together. So see you in a minute. I've crimped the wires together. I didn't show that on the video because it's quite long and boring, cutting wires and crimping it together. But yeah, it's all connected up. I've also got my iPhone here, and that's ready to go. This bike comes with a multimedia. Had it installed on the bike, and it takes advantage of the free apps which is available for download. Now, let me show you what goes on here. Okay, so the 12 volts will come up in a second, and once that come up, you know that's talking directly via Bluetooth to the multimedia. The multimedia is connected via ECU. It was connected to the ECU. So all these gauges are active gauges. They work, and once the bike is running, you find that all these instruments will work. Yeah, very useful gauges on here. The battery one is useful because it's been a while. Sometimes I don't have this bike on tender, so it's nice to see the battery voltage. Yeah, all good. Well done, Aprilia, for these gauges.